Welcome to problem 1 of exercise 1.4. The problem is, without actually performing long division, state whether the following rational number will have a terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. So we have 10 questions here. Now let us first read the theorem that if x is equals to p by q, p and q are co-prime numbers. If q is of the form 2 to the power n multiplied by 5 to the power m, where n and m are non-negative, then x terminates. So our q should be of the form 2 to the power n multiplied by 5 to the power m. So it can be 2 to the power 1, 5 to the power 2, which will be equals to 50, or 2 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1, which is nothing but 2 into 5 is 10. So at the bottom there should be some multiple of 2 and 5. So if there is some multiple of 2 and 5, then the x terminates. Now let us move on to our questions. So our first question is 13 by 3125. Now when you do the prime factorization of 3125, you first divide by 5, you get 625. Divide by 5 again, you get 125. You divide by 5 again, you get 25. You divide by 5 again, you get 5. You divide once again by 5, you get a 1. So the factorization of 3125 is 5 to the power 5. So it is of the form 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m. Here n is 0 and m is 5. So according to our theorem that we have read earlier, this thing terminates. Now our second question is 17 by 8. So 8 we can write as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So it is of the form 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m. Here m is 0, n is 3, and this thing also terminates. Our next question is 64 by 455. Now 64 we can factorize and we get 2 to the power 6. 455 we can do the prime factorization and we get, first divide by 5 we get 91, we again divide by 7 we get 13, and we divide by 13 to get 1. So the bottoms are 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 13. So it has numbers other than 2 and 5, so it is nothing but non-terminating and repeating. So now we are on to our fourth question, 15 by 1600. So we do the prime factorization for 1600. The prime factorization for 15 is nothing but 3 multiplied by 5. When we do the prime factorization of 1600, we first divide by 2 and then again by 2, and we divide by 2 6 times and by 5 2 times. So the factorization is 2 to the power 6 multiplied by 5 to the power 2. Now 5 is common in both of those. We need p and q as co-prime, so that p and q does not have any other common factor. So we cut down 5. Now 3 and 2 to the power 6 multiplied by 5 are co-prime. Our q is of the form 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m. So this thing terminates. Our next question is 29 divided by 343. 29 is a prime number and 343 is nothing but 7 cube. So it is 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. So bottom is of the form, bottom is not in the form of 2 to the power n, 5 to the power n, 5 to the power m. So this thing is non-terminating and repeating. Our next question is 23 divided by 2 to the power 3, 5 to the power 2. Our q is of the form 2 to the power n, 5 to the power n, and this thing terminates. The next question is 129 divided by 2 to the power 2, 5 to the power 7, 7 to the power 5. Now in Q, other than 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m, we have something with the power of 7. Hence this thing is non-terminating, repeating. Our 8th question is 6 divided by 15. We write 6 in the form of as 2 multiplied by 3 and 15 as 3 multiplied by 5. Now we need the numbers p by q, and p and q has to be co-prime. So 3 is common in both of those, in p and q. P is 6, q is 15. So we cut down 3. So it is nothing but 2 by 5. So our q is of the form 5 to the power m. Hence this thing terminates. Our next question is 35 by 50. Again we do the factorization. We get 5 multiplied by 7 for 35 and 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So the bottom is of the form 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m. Here n is 1, m is also 1. Hence this thing terminates. Our last question is 77 divided by 210. For 77 we can write 7 multiplied by 11. For 210 we can write 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. This 7 cancels out. The remaining is 11 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. We have a 3 at the bottom, hence this is non-terminating, repeating.